Good morning, students. Today we will solve HTML practical questions. So here you can see this is paragraph, this is heading, this is ordered list, and this is image on the right side. Got it? You have to find out first of all that which tag we will use in different part of the program. You can see this is paragraph. For paragraph we will use P tag. This is heading. For heading we can use H1 to H6. So it seems like this is largest heading, so I will use H1. For image we will use IMG tag. Okay, and you can see image is on the right side, so we have to write align right attribute. This is ordered list. For ordered list we will use OL tag. So let's start the code. I am using Notepad++ here. I will tell you how to start both. You can click on start button, then click on all programs, click on accessories and choose Notepad. Got it? Apart from Notepad, there is editor Notepad++. That also you can download from the net. In this, different tags are in different colors. Okay, so you can understand program well. So I am starting Notepad++. And here we have to write HTML basic structure. HTML head tag, title tag, title, the theme is Bollywood, head. Always remember you write this in one single line so that you are not making mistake in writing tags. After head tag you have to start body tag. Body tag. Okay, so this is our first program. So let's start with first program. Let's see how it looks like in the web browser. So we will save it. Save. I have created a folder on the desktop. You can see class 10 folder I have created. There I have already downloaded a picture and used. Okay, so I will save it here. So file name I will put Bollywood. Okay, Bollywood, or simply movie dot HTML. Got it? You can either write HTML or you can also write HTML. Both are correct. Got it? File name dot HTML. In place of movie you can write any name according to your theme. Okay, according to your program. Got it? And then after that you have to click on save. Now you can see the main tags, the basic structure is in blue color. The first program is written. So we will see it is on the desktop. Desktop class 10. This is image and this is our movie file that we have saved. So double click. This is our first program. Got it? Now here we will change the content. Okay, if we have to change the content we will change everything. We will put everything in body tag. So this was the question. So let's write. I told you first of all it is paragraph. That means P tag. P tag. This website is a gateway to film reviews. Following is a list of the top 5 films running successfully in cinema house in September 2011. Okay, and paragraph closed. Got it? Then save it. Let's see the output in web browser. It is Chrome. In my laptop it is the Chrome is the default web browser. So whatever is the default web browser in your PC you can use. Here you can click on this button to refresh. Otherwise I use shortcut F5. Got it? We can use shortcut F5 to refresh. Otherwise you can also use this button to reload the program in the browser. Now let's again come to the screenshot. This is H1 heading. So we will write H1 heading over here. H1. Okay. Top 5 films of September 2011. H1 closed. Okay, now let's see it in the web browser. This is it. Okay, click on this. Got it? Now I think it is same as we want. Again let's see the screenshot. Here is this image on the right side. Got it? So I will put img tag. img src equals to, in double quote, the file name was bollywood.jpg. Okay, and it is align equals to right. Let's refresh. Image is on the right side, but image is in big size, so we have to make it small. So reduce the size. Okay, it is height equals to 100, or I will take 150. Width equals to 150. Okay, save it and then refresh. And don't forget to save. Remember, you have to save it every time. Here the picture is very small. We can make it 300. Refresh like this. Okay, now in our screenshot it was ordered list. Okay, so let's write ordered list. For ordered list we will use ol tag, ol li. How many list items are there? 5 list items, so we will use 5 li. Okay, so I'll copy it 5 times. Students, HTML is very easy. Only the thing is that you have to learn the tags. For paragraph it is p tag. You can see it seems very easy. For heading it is h1 tag. For image it is img tag. For ordered list it is ol tag. Okay, now type the code, type the list items. Okay, save it, go to the web browser, it is Chrome, refresh. Now you can see it is done. You can minimize and you can see the output. It looks like this. Okay, you can see. So after minimizing, you can make it accordingly. Okay, so now the paragraph, it depends on the size of the web browser. Okay, this program is done. Image size we can reduce so that output is exactly like this. So let's reduce image size. So come to the notepad and here you write 100. Okay, save it, go to the web browser, refresh. Okay, I hope you understood.